Have you ever looked up at a giant airplane and wondered how does something that heavy not just fall out of the sky? It's not magic, it's science. Picture this. You're at the airport, watching a massive airplane take off. It's heavier than 100 elephants. Put together, yet it gracefully lifts into the air like a bird. How on earth is that even possible? Today, let's solve that mystery in the most fun way possible. We're going to kick off by looking at foremost important part that makes the balance of a plane possible. Part 1. The impossible weight. An average passenger airplane weighs between 70 to 300 tons. That's the same as stacking about 40 African elephants on top of each other. Now think about it. When you toss a small rock into the air, it comes crashing down in seconds. So why doesn't a plane fall like a rock? Part 2. The four forces. The secret lies in what pilots call the four forces of flight. Let's imagine the airplane is in a game of tug-of-war. Lift is pulling upward. Weight, gravity, is pulling downward. Thrust, engines, is pulling forward. Drag, air resistance, is pulling backward. So hell yeah, you guessed correctly. For the airplane to fly, the team of lift and thrust must win against weight and drag. Part 3. The wing magic. But how does lift even happen? Look closely at a plane's wings. They aren't flat like cardboard. They're curved on top and flatter underneath. This shape is called an airfoil. Here's the magic. As the airplane speeds forward, air splits at the front of the wing. The air on top has to travel faster, while the air underneath moves slower. So the faster air equals lower pressure. Slower air equals higher pressure. And just like when you squeeze a balloon, the higher pressure underneath pushes the wing up. That upward push is what we call lift. Fun fact, birds' wings work the exact same way. Airplanes just copied nature's design. Part 4. Engines and thrust. Of course, wings can't do this alone. That's where the engines come in, the muscle of the plane. Engines provide thrust, pushing the airplane forward at hundreds of kilometers per hour. The faster the plane goes, the more air flows over the wings, and the stronger the lift becomes. Think of it like this. If you stick your hand out of a moving car window, you'll feel the wind push it upward. That's lift in action. Now multiply that by thousands, and you get enough power to hold a plane in the sky. Part 5. Balance in the sky. So here's the balance game. If lift beats weight, the plane goes up. If weight beats lift, the plane goes down. If thrust beats drag, the plane goes forward. If drag beats thrust, the plane slows down. A real holla to the pilots, they're the real MVPs, basically referees, constantly adjusting speed, angle, and wings to keep this balance perfect. If you love this breakdown, hit that like, subscribe, and share button, because there's always a fun story waiting to be explained.